Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever attempt at a vlog. Today I decided to take a trip out to Wye and walk the North Downs Way via the Wye Crown and the Devil's Kneading Trough. Try and take some decent photographs. It is the middle of the day, but I wanted to get out, wanted to give this a try. Also recently purchased a drone and not really had the opportunity to try it yet, so I thought I'd take it out there, give it a run. I bought some ND filters, I want to give it a try. Thought I'd make a vlog, see if anybody wants to come along and see how we get on, so let's go. Well, I finally made it, but there's a lesson, don't go through Canterbury. Parking's a bit of a scarcity in Wye, but we're here, so let's go. And the first part of the walk takes us through the churchyard at Wye, looking for the sign for the North Downs Way. Well, it's been a while since I did any walking, especially with a backpack full of camera gear and a bottle of water and tripod. Just starting to realise how unfit I really am. Well, I've only been walking probably 10 minutes or so, just up this path out of Wye, and it's lovely and peaceful. Hopefully the weather improves. It's a bit grey and overcast, and I was hoping to try and get the drone up and give it a bit of a test run, see what kind of footage we can get with that. But for now, up. little nerve-wracking having it fly for me, which is a considerable distance away, but yeah, it performed well. I think it responded well. I've put the newer ND16 neutral density filter on it. Obviously I haven't had a chance yet to check what the footage is like, but we'll have a look when we get back home. And I'm now just going to set up for a shot from just above the wide crown and see what we can get. Lucky there was a Chinook helicopter just flew over. Glad we got the drone down before that came. But anyway, I've set the camera up. I'm shooting with the 24-105 at 24mm end. Literally just above the crown. I am at f11 for 1/60th of a second. 2 second shutter release, and no filters. It's a bit noisy around here. I don't know if you can hear that on the GoPro mic, but it's just crickets everywhere. Anyway, we're off to a place now called Devil's Trough, which should be just over there, and see how quiet it is and maybe try and get the drone up again. Somebody else out there flying a drone actually. But anyway, here we are. We're shooting this down the valley, straight down. I've got a circular polarizer and a 2-stop soft grad, just to try and balance out the sky a bit. I'm shooting at f11. And exposure time, now the sun's just come out and changed it, is 1/40th of a second, 2 second delay, and yeah, it's quite a nice image. see how difficult it was to make these vlogs, and to be honest, it's now opened my eyes and given me a whole new respect for people that do it on YouTube. It takes a lot of effort, and I've only just sort of taken the footage. It's now time to head back to the car, drive back home, and get this lot in the editing suite and just see what we can do. We'll find out.